Good morning, ladies, boys and girls. Okay, so yesterday we reviewed we're in our pre-algebra stage, and we talked about, orders of operation and integers and whole numbers, like we did today. And we talked about variables and constant and the difference between equations and expressions. Can anybody remember and tell me what an expression is? No, that was part of our background. So, well, that was our background. So I'm just going to jump into our activity. So, variable. Who can tell me what a variable is in their own words?
A letter that represents a number?
Good job. It changes. It changes all the time. It can be anything. And a constant. What about a constant? Anybody? Just a guess. It could be a guess.
A number that doesn't change?
A number that doesn't change. When we are working with equations and expressions, we are going to have a variable, we're going to have a constant, and then we're going to have an operation. Does anybody remember what an operation is? We use them every day in math. We have 4 operations.
Addition?
Addition is one.
Subtraction.
Multiplication.
Division.
Exactly. Good job, you guys. Good job. So when we, today we're going to do an activity with expressions only. And the difference between expressions and equations, just as a reminder, since we are having a forgetful moment from yesterday, the difference between expressions and equations is there's no equal sign. We don't have an equal sign. So we're going to work with variables, we're going to work with constants, and we're going to work with our order of operation. So if I said a number less than 5, who could tell me what the variable is in this expression? Hannah. N, exactly. This is our variable. Who could tell me what the constant is? Erica?
-5. Or 5.
5. Yep. This is our constant. And then who could tell me what the operation is? Jenny? Subtraction. Exactly. Yep. Right there. Good job. This is what our activity is. We are going to be, and this goes back to our learning target. Let's look at our learning target today. I can match algebraic expressions. Let's say it together now.
I can match algebraic expressions.
And again, do we have an equal sign?
No.
No. So this is why it's an expression versus an equation, because we're not solving anything. I am going to have you guys work just at your table groups, not full sides. And I'm going to pass out these little pieces of paper. And they say, like this one says, the product of 9 and a number. Who can tell me what product means? And then the multiply, exactly. So you're going to have another one, and one is black and one is red. And you would have to go through these and find its partner. Yep. So some are in words and some are in the actual number form. So you're going to have to go find its match. Let's do a check-in first. I feel good about this. I need some help. Let's do a couple more examples. Thumbs up, I feel good. more examples. Down. Oh man, I'm gonna crash and burn. Oh, I saw a couple wavies. Okay. So if I said 5 less than a number, how would that be written? Who could tell me? 5 less than a number. Jessica. Erica.
5 minus N.
Is this 5 less than a number?
No, N minus 5.
Yeah.
You're tricking me.
I was. If I said like this one, the product of 6 and n, I'm gonna write 6n, because we are multiplying these. A number increased by 6. Hannah, you wanna come and write it on the board for me?
Number increased by.
A number increased by 6. Now, let's do another one. 5 divided by, no, let's do, no. I'm going to say this backwards. 25 divided by a number. Heather, could you come write this for me? I sure can. 25 divided by a number. What do you think, class? Are we agreeing with her? Are we? No. Yeah, there we go. Okay, are we ready for an activity?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And as you guys work on them and keep them paired up, then I will come around and look at them. And for multiplication, or for addition, does it matter what comes first? No. Because adding is adding. And in
That's good.
does it matter? In addition, this would 12 plus n or n plus 12?
No, turn around back. This is N minus 2.
Exactly. thumbs up, I've got it. Thumbs down, or thumbs to the side, I still need help. Or thumbs down, oh, this is really tripping me up. Good, good. Huh? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Okay, so today we learned how to identify an expression in two different forms. In written form, which is called our academic language, and then in number form. These are skills that are later used in lessons down the road when we are going to start evaluating them, which are solving them when we start doing evaluating equations, where we start adding the equal sign, and then we're going to start representing, putting numbers in, and maybe taking out the n and adding a 3 and changing it up. So I'm going to give you a take it out the door slip, and you guys are going to tell me what's something important that you learned, what is something you still want to know, and what could you have done better today. And I won't give it to you. I know that you would. Yeah. You were hoping.